Good morning students. I am Dr. S.S. Katkamwar, Head of Department at Commerce Science College, Tukum, Chandrapur. So I will teach you organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the paper 2. So organic chemistry I am S.S. Katkamwar, Head of Department at Commerce Science College, Tukum, Chandrapur. So in chemistry we are having two papers, inorganic chemistry paper 1, organic chemistry paper 2. So inorganic chemistry is 50 marks university exam and 10 marks internal assessment. Organic chemistry paper 2, 50 marks university exam and 10 marks internal assessment. Then you are having inorganic chemistry practical 15 marks, organic chemistry practical 15 marks. So total theory marks are 50 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10, 120. Total practical marks 30. So theory plus practical we are having 150 marks. UE means university exam, IA means internal assessment marks. So this is the syllabus of organic chemistry. You are having 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4 units. The first unit is fundamentals of organic chemistry. Second unit is stereochemistry. Third unit is aliphatic hydrocarbons. Fourth unit is aromatic hydrocarbon. These are the 4 units. So 50 marks from each unit will have to 12 to 13 marks weightage. So you are having this type of, and then when the exam comes again you will study in details. So organic chemistry paper 2 unit 1 fundamentals of organic chemistry. Today we start unit 1 fundamentals of organic chemistry. So first of all, what is organic chemistry? What is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is the chemistry of carbon and its compound. So organic chemistry is chemistry of carbon and its compound. So when we study about carbon and its compound, then it is known as organic chemistry. So we are coming across very much here in organic chemistry the covalent bond. So the carbon-carbon bonds are bonded by covalent bond. So what is a covalent bond? Covalent bond is formed by sharing of electrons. Sharing means both the atoms sharing will have equal electrons. That is known as covalent bond. So here diagrammatically we will see what is a covalent bond. So what is a covalent bond? How is covalent bond formed? Covalent bond is formed by sharing of electrons. So here this is the atom, here this is the formation of hydrogen molecule. So hydrogen nucleus is there and this the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Both are hydrogen atoms. One electron. So as we know the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So one electron is there in each orbit and they are sharing. Sharing of electron is taking place and a bond is formed, H bond H. This is known as a covalent bond. What is a covalent bond? Covalent bond is formed by sharing of electron is known as a covalent bond. So in organic chemistry, carbon-carbon are linked by, all the carbon-carbon are linked by single bond, double bond, triple bond, but all are the covalent bond. They are all covalent bonds are formed. So what is a covalent bond? You have studied in 12, but here also you should recall it. What is a covalent bond? So you understood what is a covalent bond? Covalent bond is formed by sharing of electrons. So the first topic here is bond cleavage or bond fission. So when a reaction takes place, so bond is broken and a bond is formed. That is known as bond is breaking, that is bond cleavage, and bond is formed, and that is bond formation. So when the reaction takes place, bonds are formed and broken and bonds are formed. So first topic here we are having bond fission or bond cleavage. What is bond cleavage? So bond cleavage or bond fission. What is fission? Chemical reaction how bonds are broken are, so this C. So here A and B is the molecule and here the bond is broken. So types of bond cleavage or bond fission. There are two types of bond cleavage. They are homolytic bond cleavage or homolytic bond fission, and or it is also known as homolysis. Then heterolytic bond cleavage or heterolytic bond fission or heterolysis. So before going to this cleavage part, I want to tell you what is a free radical. What is a free radical? The atoms and group of atoms having an odd or unpaired electron, they are known as free radicals. So when the bond breaks, one of the electron goes to one of the atom, that is known as free radicals. They are very reactive and short-lived. So we represent it like this. Suppose methyl free radical is there, CH3, and here we are writing dot, that is methyl free radical, ethyl free radical, benzyl free radical. So these are the examples of free radicals. What are free radicals? The atoms and group of atoms having an odd or unpaired electron is known as free radicals. While studying homolytic bond fusion, we are coming across the free radical. The term free radical is used. So I wanted to tell you what is a free radical. First, homolytic fusion or homolytic cleavage. Each atom gets one electron from the covalent bond forming free radical. So this free radical, see chlorine, for this is the cleavage of chlorine molecule. Chlorine is there and cleavage is taking place and each is getting a free radical. So here again we are explain what is homolytic bond fusion or homolysis. If equal breaking of bond takes place, it is called homolytic bond fusion. When the bond breaks, each atom will have one electron each because one bond is made of two electrons. So this is there, one bond is made of two electrons and cleavage is taking place and A free radical and B free radical are formed. Each atom gets one electron from the covalent bond forming free radicals. So these are known as free radicals. As a result of homolytic bond fusion, free radicals are formed. Next, heterolytic bond fusion or heterolysis. If unequal breaking, so what is here? There equal breaking of bond was there. Here unequal breaking of bond takes place. It is called heterolytic bond fusion or heterolytic bond cleavage. When bond breaks unequally, ions, charged particles are formed. What are ions? Ions are charged particles. Positive and negative charges are formed. So when this methane molecule is methyl alcohol is heterolytic bond fusion is taking place and methyl is getting positive charge and OH minus is getting negative charge. This is carbonium ion and carbocation. So these are positive and negative radicals are formed. As a result of heterolytic bond fusion, ions are formed. Positive and negative ions are formed. So here again, what is bond fusion? The breaking of covalent bond that allowed reaction to take place is known as bond fusion. What is homolytic fusion? Gives rise to two free radicals that each have an unpaired electron. So here again we have summary. This is so A, B and A is getting free radical, B is getting free radical. Then heterolytic fusion. One atom takes both the electron in a bond resulting in one negatively charged and one positively. The bond where the electrons are shifting, that atom will get negative charge, and from which the electrons are going, that will get positive charge. So negative charge when electrons are received, because negative charge, electrons are negatively charged, and when they are going on A atom, then it is getting negative charge, and which is giving the electron that will get positive charge. Thank you.